In today's video, we are talking about whether you can hide your phone number on WhatsApp and what's changed with the latest update. Let's get started. Traditionally, WhatsApp has not allowed its users to hide their phone numbers. If you go into settings and then privacy, you will find options to control things like your last seen, profile photo and status, but there has not been any settings to hide a phone number. That's because WhatsApp has always relied on phone numbers as the main way to connect people. But here's the big update. WhatsApp is now rolling out a new username feature. This means that in the near future, you'll be able to connect with people using a username instead of sharing your phone number directly. Once this feature is fully available, it will give you much more privacy, especially in groups or when chatting with people you don't know. So instead of exposing your number, you'll be able to use your username to stay connected. Keep in mind, though this feature is still being rolled out and may not be available to everyone just yet, so if you don't see it in your app, make sure to keep WhatsApp updated and check back later. So for now, hiding your phone number completely is not fully possible for everyone, but with the new username feature, we are finally getting a big step in that direction. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.